What's going on, everybody? It's Nice Pants Lance. Today we're here with Kickstand Ty and oh shit, where is he? And Goose. Das Goose. And we got the Indian Sport Chief here. In the background, we got the CVO Softail Convertible back. The Softail is back. Why is it back? Where did it go? Where was it? Modifications. So this Softail was not on the road for like how long? About 2 weeks only?
2 weeks.
About 2 weeks. And yeah, it was, the engine was a little clacky, right? Well, how many miles are on it?
Almost 32,000.
32,000 miles. That's people like to trade in their bikes before 32,000 miles.
Oh, you don't say.
So
weird.
Yeah, that's that is a yeah, that's a decent amount of miles. So tell me, because I'm clueless. I don't know what was wrong with it. What was the problem?
We thought it was a lifter, ended up being my compensator. So in my dad's buddy's true fashion, I got a new compensator and he dove into the entire motor. So I have a text here. New compensator, new primary chain, new clutch plates, new lifters, new rocker arms, new cams, and new rods.
You got rods and cams, dude? What?
He said I have to do a tune now.
Oh, is it running a little lean?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, man. But hey, you know, twist my arm, why don't you? Oh, I gotta get a tune now. Oh, no. And holy smokes, this...
Oh, and he completely detailed it.
This is the cleanest that I think I have ever seen it. Like, you can see the depth. Even the wheel? Oh, you even got the chrome on the wheel. Like, oh, this chrome is polished, shiny. This is mirror finish. I'm impressed, dude. I'm impressed. Your buddy does fantastic work. And like, oh, just the depth, all that flake and stuff.
Saying, you want it done right, bring it to a 70-year-old outlaw biker. He's gonna...
Harleys make some of the best paint jobs, man. This CVO is it's nice looking. But so tell me now, it's fixed. It's got all those parts in it. How's it ride?
You gotta do it.
Yeah? You can't
Did
even...
it once.
Okay.
And you gotta compare it to the old video.
Okay, fair enough. Yeah, longtime watchers of the channel will remember that this is one of the first Harleys I've ever ridden. Yep. And still among pretty much one of the fastest Harleys I've ever ridden. Yep. With the exception of the Pan America, which is kind of something different.
The new road glide.
Oh yeah, that's that is, yeah, that thing is definitely fast. 117, yeah, that thing is definitely fast. But all right, fair enough. Hey, if you guys recognize this bike, if you don't, then please watch my first ride and review video from freaking years ago. I'll leave it somewhere. It's time to hop on the 2012 CVO Softail Convertible. This thing is awesome. My bro is nice enough to let me take this for a ride, so you can click on it and give it a watch. But all right, well, oh man, I'm so excited. Cams are I've listened to about 1,000 videos of cammed out Harleys, and it just changes everything about the damn bike. So I'm very excited about this. It's been a long time since I've ridden the CVO Softail Convertible. It's been a long time. But I'm just going to take a little short spin to see what's different with it now that it's got cams and rods and all this stuff. So, okay. So hit the start button once, I think. Or no, put it on run first. There we go. And then don't have to hold the clutch in. Whoa. This doesn't sound anything like it did before. What? Its lope is so different now. It doesn't sound anything like it did before. What? I think he said this is a S&S like 540 cam or 550 cam. I'll reconfirm that later, but I can't believe it. It sounds so different. I'm shocked. Whoa. Obviously it needs a tune, so it's not really gonna run. What the heck? This doesn't even sound or feel the same. That's crazy. Yeah, we'll definitely get a tune on this bad boy. But, all right. There we go. Oh wow, man, this sounds so different. I love this thing. Interesting. The RPM is much different now. Before, it liked to hang out around the 2000 RPM area, and you know, it gave you so much torque between like 1600 RPM and like 2500 RPM. It gave you a lot of punch. Whoa, man, the sounds way different now. Way different. Still the same old CVO Softail Convertible that I know and love, but the engine is just like, it's completely different now. As soon as I revved it up, it automatically went up towards 3 instead of 2. Usually it's like, all right, I'm actually going to turn around here. I don't want to go up this way because there's a lot of farm related action going on. Let's see if I could pull this off. All right, that works. Yeah, now it wants to rev towards 3 automatically. This actually, you know, its behavior kind of reminds me of my own bike, the Triumph Rocket 3, because that bike, you know, you give it like a tiny bit of throttle once you get going, and the RPMs just kind of shoot you right up towards 3. Like, it really wants you to be in the mid-range. And this Harley has never been a mid-range bike. This has definitely been a low RPM bike with a definitely good mid-range, but it's never really brought you into the mid-range like that. So let's see what happens when I give it a little juice. What? Wow. Oh man. Oh boy. Jeez. Yeah, that's yeah. That's so wild. Now it starts to wake up after 3000 RPM. That's crazy. Now it's actually starting to wake up after 3, and it revs deep into the RPMs. Wow, that is so impressive. It's completely changed the rev band, or the power band rather. It's completely changed the power band. I am shocked. I'm shocked. All right, I did a 0 to 60 on this one. It was somewhat stock. Damn. Without the cams and all that other stuff. Let's see what I can do now. Dang. Yeah, that wasn't the best launch, I'm not gonna lie. That wasn't the best launch, but but that acceleration was rapid, and now it pulls very, very hard into the high RPMs. It starts to wake up around 3,500 RPM, and that's when it just like starts to pull harder and harder. It's completely changed the characteristic of this bike. This engine is completely new. Yeah, he is right. This is a brand new freaking bike. This is very much so unlike his 110 when he first got it. Oh man, and the sound is sounds more angry. Yeah, it sounds way more angry now. I love it. I love this 110 twin cam. But geez, it's something else now. Oh man, we got to get a tune on this bad boy. Imagine what this thing will sound like when it's running right. Let me get another 0 to 60 right here. Get another 0 to 60 because I feel like that one wasn't good enough back there. Yep, just like that. That's very impressive. Very impressive. Although, man, I have to say, now in 6th gear, it actually feels like you're kind of lugging it at 65. Now that the power band is completely changed due to the higher lift and duration of this cam, yeah, now actually 6th gear feels a little too leggy almost. Wow, this is incredible. Jeez. Man, honestly, I think this could give the Indian Sport Chief a run for its money. Hands down. I honestly think this would give the Sport Chief a run for its money. I want to see these two bikes race. This thing is dangerous. Oh, I mean, not necessarily the kickstand. I was talking about the bike, but yeah. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Dude, what the hell, man? It like, as soon as I gently let off, it climbs like right above 2 up to 3 now.
Yeah,
like
it's there.
Like it's like you like let the clutch out and it's like, come on up to 3. Yeah. Come right up to 3,000, because dude, that is incredible. That's incredible. Steve, dude, you got some problems, buddy. Steve, you got some problems, man. Damn, Goose, you gotta get some fucking mods now, buddy.
This year, I'm going for comfort this year.
Did you feel the brake difference too? Brakes are a little better now.
Oh yeah, the brakes are super responsive. New brakes too?
I did new brakes because the last time you rode it, it had worn out pads on it. So.
Oh, no kidding, no kidding. Okay. Dude, that's incredible, and I actually took a 0 to 60, and I'm gonna compare it to the 0 to 60 I did.
I was hoping you would do it,
yeah. I did a couple of them because it took me by surprise. It wants to rev out now. Yeah, like it wants to rev out. It feels so good right up. I didn't even get close to redline, and it feels so good like right up there. Like it feels comfortable in the higher RPMs.
Yeah, like at 4 to 5 grand now, like it wants to ride there.
That's crazy, dude. That's crazy. That's crazy. Dude, I fucking love it, man. I love it. They need to just make Harleys like that right out of the box, bro.
Bring the twin cam back. Get rid of the M8.
Yes, please. Oh gosh, that's incredible. That is incredible. Yeah, we need to see a versus video between you guys. And yeah, no, I'm super stoked. If you guys like that video, give me a like. Hi, Mom. You want to see more on the CVO Softail Convertible? You want to see more on the Indian Sport Chief and the Rocket? Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Peace.